Hey Techno Studs, in my last video I showed you how to edit an ACL using the copy and paste method. But there is another method, and perhaps this method is easier. So I'm going to show you how to insert or remove certain access list statements from the access control list without doing anything drastic. So let's jump in there and let's take a look at how to do this. This was my original ACL that I had in there. What I did in my last video is I removed this deny ping to this network right here, and this shut down and we were not able to ping the interface of R3. So let's say we want to put this line back in. How would we do that? How would we be able to insert that without doing the copy and the paste and doing all of that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by doing a show access-lists. And we can see that there is the extended IP access list, my ACL. And then it has a permit. So really it's just what I have over here, except for it has the deny ICMP any to this network right here. So notice that the key part of this though is that it is labeled 10 and 20. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into this list by doing IP. I do need to get into the global configuration mode. So conf t IP access dash list extended and my ACL. And now I'm editing the list. So if I wanted to remove something, I could just put no and then 10 or no 20, but I want to, in this case, add something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 15, and that will insert it then right in the middle of it all. So I'm going to copy this right here, copy it and paste it into here and hit enter with that. And notice that instantly it made the change, and now I'm not able to get to ping to the rest of that network. So we've successfully made that change. Now I'm going to do show access-lists. And there we see that it's inserted right in between. Now, if you're making lots of changes, then you could see how this could fill up, that we would maybe insert too many and now we don't have any new spots to insert it, or if two of them were too close together. By default, they space them out by tens, but if we're entering things in here like this, then at some point in time, we'll probably have to use the copy and paste method. So it's still good to know the copy and paste method, but it's also good to know this because we could do this on the fly and not be very disruptive with how we have it all set up. So there you go. There's a way to use the sequence numbers to remove or add different access control entries.